Perplexity a couple of weeks ago came out with a program. It's a business fellowship program that gives you access to fireside chats with some of the biggest names in AI. Think Jensen Huang from the CEO of NVIDIA, think CEO of Databricks, CEO of Box, there's a bunch of others. What's the point of this? I'm going to be taking you guys with me on the journey. I got into the fellowship program, and over the next few weeks, I'm going to be sharing all of these through my newsletter and through my YouTube channel. On top of that, I'm going to be giving away 3 free pro memberships to Perplexity, to the community, to my community, the people who are subscribed completely for free. All you need to do is subscribe, like this video, and fill out the form below, and you have a chance of winning, and I'll get in contact with you via email. You just have to fill out the form below. That being said, let's quickly dive into what this is all about so that you're not wasting your time and I can explain it to you guys and break it down. So for those of you who do not know, Perplexity is an AI application that leverages LLMs or models, so DeepSeek, OpenAI, Claude from Anthropic, whatever it is, but it not just uses an LLM like it would normally give you. Every single answer it gives you is backed through research and searching through the internet. So it's like an LLM. It's using an LLM that's connected to the internet all the time. So every single time you ask Perplexity something, for example, today's the Formula One in Melbourne. I want to say, what time is the F1 in Melbourne today, and who is on pole, which is who is starting at the front of the grid, right? So if this was a closed off LLM, it will pick up stuff from, last year. And you can see finding the time for March 16, 2025. It's going through and picking up all of these sources, the Formula One website, the Grand Prix website. And then it's saying here, it starts at Sunday, 3 p.m. AEDT, which is Australian time. Lando Norris is pole position after securing the fastest qualifying, and it actually gives more information there. So it's using an LLM that's always interacting with the internet. So it's like search on steroids. That's exactly what Perplexity is. What is this program? What is this fellowship, and why should you care? Perplexity a couple of weeks ago came out with a business fellowship program for people in AI that want to upskill, that are already established to a degree, and want to, like you can see on screen, become the 1000x whatever, consultant, financial analyst, product manager, marketer, whatever you're in, using artificial intelligence to just kick that level up. And given my background from a work perspective, given my background from a personal perspective with things like the YouTube channel and so forth, I've established myself in the AI field enough that I was fortunate enough to get into the program. For me, I have got just over 4,000 followers as of today, and I'm thankful to each and every one of you. So I want to bring you along on the journey, and I want to share all the insights that I get. Now, what are these insights? Right, so the program is structured in the following way over here. So there are fireside chats with industry leaders, which is a biggie, right? The network you build among the people around you and the thought leadership you take in from people you listen to is so vital, especially in the AI space. And they have got some bangers when it comes to AI leaders. Probably the biggest one is Jensen Huang, and CEO of NVIDIA. You don't get bigger than that. And what my goal here with him and for all the others is, I'm going to attend these fireside chats and I'm going to consolidate what I learn and then share it with you guys. There's also workshops on building apps with no-code platforms. So in this case, Replit, and AI tools for different teams and workflows. Again, I'm going to see what Perplexity are doing from a no-code perspective, get the latest insights on that and trends, and then share that with you guys. And I want to give back to the community because I'm super thankful for the 4,000 of you plus that have subscribed and that are following my AI journey and the content I create. And I really hope I'm providing enough benefit to you. That's my ultimate goal here. So I have been gifted 3 pro memberships to Perplexity. So this is for people who want to try out Perplexity and try out the pro version. If we come to Perplexity and we go and check out, I'm on a free version at the moment. The professional or pro version is $20 a month. Unlimited free searches, 300 plus pro searches a day. You can choose from a range of different models that you want to play around with, upload unlimited files, so forth, so forth. So it's a cool, powerful version of Perplexity that you can use. And I'm giving away 3 basically free 1-month pro memberships for my community. All you have to do is go to the link in the description and fill out the link to the form below. It will just ask you for your name, your email address. If that sounds like something you guys are interested in, I want to take you along with me on that journey, because I think a lot more people should be included in something like this program. A lot of people have been, but if you haven't and you want to know what's going on a fireside chat with Jensen Huang, what's going on in terms of, if we come back here, some of the other people, we've got Aaron Levy, CEO of Box. Another big one here is Ali Ghodsi, who's the CEO of and the founder of Databricks. We've got a number of people. Amjad, who is CEO of Replit. And there are tons of others. So I'm going to take all of those, I'm going to consolidate them down so I don't bore you with too many details, and I can just fire it off and say, this is what I learned from this person. Boom, 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 boom. And, give you guys that insights. And I'm actually thinking of doing something written as well, probably a newsletter that you guys will get access to and that you can get. And that will be all for free. So like and subscribe. Follow me on this journey. Enter into win one of the 3 pro memberships from Perplexity. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you very much. Cheers.